Hey, Akinachele. This is a quick one in response to Skiboski Abo's comment on my first video. He was asking about accent marks and how to pronounce words in Yoruba properly how to read Yoruba text properly, essentially. And I said that I had a very easy way of knowing how to read the Yoruba text once you can see the accent marks on there, and so that's what I'm going to be talking about. Essentially, you need two things. You need to know what the accent marks sound like. I did an accent mark video, and you need to know what the letters sound like as well. And I did an alphabet video. So the key to this is that you know that the accent marks will only be on the vowels. Now, I've only talked about oral vowels so far. There are nasal vowels as well, but we'll talk about those later. For this, you can get by on just the oral vowels for now, and the oral vowels are the ones that I mentioned in the alphabet video. Sorry, in the accent mark video. A, E, I, O, U. Yeah, they're like the English vowels. So to demonstrate what I'm talking about, I'll be using a few sentences that I was going to use for another video, which I'll still do later. But I'll be using those sentences to demonstrate what I'm talking about. There are 5 sentences. So I was going to do a video on how to introduce yourself, and my go-to was what did I do at GCSE in GCSE language. So I went on BBC Bitesize and looked up some questions that they ask at GCSE, and there were questions like,
what's your name? How old are you? Where do you live? What kind of work do you do? What are your hobbies, or what are the kind of things that you like to do?
So those are the questions I'll be asking, but in Yoruba, and then I'll be demonstrating how the accent marks work in these sentences. So for the first one, right, we already know, right, that the accent marks will only be on the vowels. So, and in this sentence, there are 3. No, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there are 3 different vowels. So the key to knowing how the sentence should be pronounced is to first of all sound out the accent marks. So the accent marks in the first one are me. So the accent marks in the first one are on the first E, the accent mark is the high. The accent mark is the high. It's the me. On the second one, it's the mid, re. On the first O, it's re, the mid. On the U, on the U, it's me. On the O, it's re. On the E, it's me. So you sound out the accent marks and you go mi, re, mi, re, mi. So the sentence sounds like ki ni oruko yin. So that's easy to follow, isn't it? I can break it down again. So for the first word, the accent marks are mi, re. The accent marks are mi, re. So ki ni. Yeah. So on the second word, the accent marks are re, mi, re. So oruko. And then on the third one, there's only one vowel, so the accent mark is mi. So yi, ki ni oruko yi. And then for the second one, for the second sentence, the accent marks are the first sentence means what is your name? Kini oruko yi. Oruko means name. Kini means what. Yi is you. So what's your name? And yi is used for someone who you respect or who's older than you.
I don't have no respect for him. Everybody clapping hand now. I don't clap hand for him no more. So no respect.
In the second sentence, the accent marks are mi, re, re. So I'll take it in two chunks. So mi, re, mi. Bí ọmọ ọdún. The second chunk is mi, do, mi, re, mi. Mélòó ni yín. You don't drag the melo out like that. I just did it just so that you know how to pronounce it. So it goes bí ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni yín. For the third one, it's mi, re, do, mi, ní ibo lẹ̀ ń gbé. Again, you say it faster than that typically. So ní ibo lẹ̀ ń gbé or níbo lẹ̀ ń gbé. Yeah, so things kind of blend into each other like that. And then the third one, re mi, irú iṣẹ́, re do mi re, wo lẹ̀ ń ṣe. And then for the last one, I'll take that in smaller chunks again. Mi, re, do, re, kí ni àwọn. Re, mi, do, nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ràn. Mi, re, láti máa ṣe. So kí ni àwọn nǹkan tẹ́ fẹ́ràn láti máa ṣe. Kí ni àwọn nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ràn láti máa ṣe. The second sentence, bí ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni yín. That means you're asking how old the person is, but it's like saying, like, how many years old are you? The third one, níbo lẹ̀ ń gbé. That's where do you live. The fourth one is irú iṣẹ́ wo lẹ̀ ń ṣe. That's what kind of work do you do. The last one, fifth one, is kí ni àwọn nǹkan tí ẹ fẹ́ràn láti máa ṣe. What are your hobbies? Or more literally, what are the things which you like to do? That's it. If you have any questions, let me know. That's it.